Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get the Shopify promotion for $1 per month for 6 months. And it will save you a lot of money. First, you can go to shopify.com and then check the pricing section here, or you can simply click the link in the description. And as you can see, there's a promotion for $1 per month for 6 months. And you can choose the plan. Let's say I will choose the Grow plan here, and then make sure the country is right, and then you have to sign up with your email or Google. It's up to you, and it will bring you to the payment page. As you can see, you can get 3-day trial, and then you can pay $1 per month for 6 months, and you can cancel anytime. And so you can just input your information here. After that, you can just click subscribe for $1, and then it will bring you to the plan page. You can choose the plan you want. I want to choose grow. Just click try grow, and then you can just fill your information here, and then they will ask you some question. You can just check it, whatever. It's up to you. It doesn't matter. And then it will bring you to the Shopify dashboard. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.